In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Figma using your mouse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you have Figma open on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Figma icon or navigating to the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in Figma, you'll be all set to start working on your designs. Now, after you've opened Figma, the next step is to open your designated file. This could be a project you've been working on or a new design file you want to create. Navigate to the menu where your recent files are displayed and click on the one you wish to open. It should load up pretty quickly and you'll be greeted with your workspace ready for design. Now that you have your file open, let's talk about the details of zooming in Figma with your mouse. There are several ways you can zoom, and I'm going to cover the easiest ones for you. One way to zoom in is by using the shortcut key. If you press the letter Z on your keyboard, this will activate the zoom tool. After that, you can click and drag a rectangle around the area you want to zoom into. This is particularly handy when you need to focus on a specific design element. Just keep in mind to release your mouse button once you've selected the area, and voila! You'll be zoomed right into that section. But let's say you want a smoother, more intuitive zooming experience while you're working. You can use the middle scroll wheel on your mouse. Simply place the cursor where you'd like to zoom in or out, then scroll up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. It's incredibly easy and gives you a lot of control over how much you want to see at any given time. If you're using a touchpad, you can accomplish the same task by dragging two fingers in opposite directions. Spread them apart to zoom in and pinch them together to zoom out. This gesture is very handy, especially for those moments when you need to quickly adjust your view without leaving the design mode. So, to recap, you have a few options. Use the keyboard shortcut Z for specific area zooming. Scroll your mouse wheel for smooth in and out zooming, or use your touchpad with a two-finger gesture. Each method has its perks, and it's all about finding which one feels right for your workflow. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to seamlessly zoom in and out in Figma using your mouse. Feel free to practice these techniques, and you'll find that they can significantly enhance your design process. If all of this made sense to you and you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.